Hi friends! Before we start the lesson, look where I am standing. It's a water tank. I'm standing about 10 feet above the ground in my terrace. Okay guys, now let's dive inside the lesson. Our lesson for today is going to be to go bananas or going bananas. This is the same as going nuts. Going bananas has three meanings. To get crazy, to get angry, and to get excited. I'll give you all one example sentence for each meaning. First one. Ask him to stop whistling or I'm going to go bananas. This sentence would be representing crazy. And the second one is I'm going bananas as my boss didn't give me a pay raise. Okay guys, this represents angry and lastly, excited. I just went bananas that my father ordered a new Fortnite gun for me. This represents excited. That's all for today guys. This phrase can be used if you want to go crazy, angry, or if you want to enjoy something. So I hope this is a useful lesson. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, tada, bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye, see you later. Hope you enjoyed this lesson.